How to change language on WhatsApp. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change your language on WhatsApp. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to change your language on WhatsApp, you actually need to go into your phone settings and change the language on your phone. So head over to your phone settings. Once you're here in your settings menu, tap on the search button in the top right hand corner. And then do a search for language. In the search results, tap on the language under General Management. Then tap on Language again. Then tap on Add Language to choose the language that you'd like to change it to. So I'm going to choose Spanish. Then I'm going to set it as the default language. And then if I head back over to WhatsApp, you'll see at the top the language has now changed to Spanish. And that's what it takes to change your language on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.